Hello students, my name is Ashish Vishwakarma. Today I am going to discuss the series of fundamental of computer, evaluation of computer. So the first, computer is what? Computer is an electronic device that can perform technical a logical calculation at a very high speed. Computer is electronic devices basically take an input from a user and generate a desirable result according to the user. It is very high. It perform basically a technical and logical calculation. And a computer is also called a data processor. You can also called a computer is also called a data processor because it stores, process and retrieve data whenever you desire, whenever you wish, whenever you desire. You can access your data from computer. That's why it's called a data processor. And the next one is basically characteristics of a computer. What are the characteristics of a computer? How the basically computer work efficiently? The first one is automatic. Computer can work on any job automatically. Means computer can perform any work automatically without a human participation. Human participation that not means ki human cannot touch. As a human you have to give some instructions, means input. After that it will automatically calculate or automatically works on the particular data. So the computers is that's why it's called automatic. And then next one is the speed. Can perform a data processing job very fast, measure a microsecond, nanosecond, picoseconds. Means it works on a nanosecond, picosecond, basically microseconds. It's very less time. As a human being we cannot measure this time. Computer can automatically measure, and this time is very less. Rather than the seconds, it's this speed is very high. So the automatic speed and accuracy that means accuracy of a computer is consist a high degree of accuracy. That means basically whatever input you given, whatever input given by the user, it will definitely process and it will definitely provide a exact result. What you give, it will definitely provide जो आपको चाहिए, सेम वैसा का वैसा ही वो आंसर देगा. एक्यूरेसी मतलब जो आपने इंसर्ट किया है सेम जो आपने उसका डिज़ायर आप बेसिकली चाहते थे वही आंसर आपको एक्यूरेट मिलेगा. एक्यूरेसी, दैट्स वाई. इंटेलिजेंसी, इट कैन वर्क कंटिन्यूसली आर विदाउट क्रिएट एनी एरर. मीन्स कंप्यूटर कैन वर्क साइमल्टेनियसली number of hours without any error, without any heatness, because whenever we work with the computer we always use the ACs, air conditioned room. And that's why, because it will not generate any heat. So that's why the intelligency, it works continuously as an hour, number of hour. And the versatility, and the computer can capable perform almost any task. Got it? If the task can be reduced the finest series of logical steps. Means computer is capable to perform any kind of task, the finite number of tasks can perform by the computer. And computer having a memory, we will discuss on later what is memory and how it works. The memory means computer having memory to store your data. You can store your data. Why we store in a memory? For a future work. There are two kind of memory in a computer, the primary and secondary. Primary memory run at a time, it's called a volatile. When the current is going on it will work. And the non-volatile memory, like a hard disk, non-volatile, that means this is the future storage. Whenever you required, whenever you desire, you can just retrieve from a hard disk. So memory is basically used for a future purpose. And computer has a IQ but no IQ, because why I'm saying has a IQ, in artificial intelligence we provide some algorithm, learning algorithm for IQ. So no IQ, it doesn't only what is programmed to do. One's decision power, means computer doesn't have any own decision power. So whatever instructions it given by the user, जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस होंगे वो यूज़र देगा. अपने आप वो कोई कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है येस करना है या नो करना है, पर्टिकुलर रिजल्ट को कैसे वो परफॉर्म करना है. देयर इज़ अ नो IQ. वो खुद नहीं समझ सकता है क्योंकि वो एक मशीन ही तो है. This is called a machine. And the computer hasn't any feeling, no feeling, कोई feeling नहीं है, means उसकी अपनी कोई particular desire नहीं है, अपनी कोई particular wish नहीं है, उसकी अपनी कोई particular feeling नहीं होती. It totally depends on the user. Totally dependent means you have to give the input, then it will provide the processing and then output. So these are the characteristics of a computer. And then next one, the evolution of a computer means basically पहला computer कौन सा आया था? द मार्क 1 कंप्यूटर इन 1937 to 44 तक ये कंप्यूटर बेसिकली यूज़ किया गया था. डिज़ाइन बाय हावर्ड एल्किन विद IBM. मीन्स बेसिकली जो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं, जब भी हम बात करते हैं कंप्यूटर के जो बेसिकली फादर हैं चार्ल्स बेबेज, और उसके बाद जो ज़्यादातर कंप्यूटर्स बेसिकली जो यूजेबल बनाए हैं यूज़र के लिए वो IBM इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस मशीन इज़ अ कंपनी. दिस कंपनी इज बिगेस्ट मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन अ कंप्यूटर फील्ड अर्लियर. एंड डिज़ाइन बाय बेस्ड ऑन पंच कार्ड मशीन. ये पंच कार्ड की मशीन की तरह काम करती थी, जैसे कि आपने टाइप राइटर देखा है, तो टाइप राइटिंग मशीन की तरह बेसिकली इट वॉज द फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रो मैकेनिकल डिवाइस. इट इज़ यूज मोर देन 3000 इलेक्ट्रिक स्विचेज फॉर इट्स ऑपरेशन. यानी कि एक पर्टिकुलर ऑपरेशन को परफॉर्म करने के लिए मोर देन 3000 इलेक्ट्रिकल स्विचेज ओवर देयर, और वो परफॉर्म वहाँ पे करता था बेसिकली. तो मार्क 1 कंप्यूटर बेसिकली 1937 to 44 हम लोग इसको बेसिकली यूज़ करते थे. डेट वॉज अ ह्यूज इन साइज, लाइक 50 feet लॉन्ग. माई गॉड, इट्स सो लॉन्ग कंप्यूटर. नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स सो रिड्यूस. नाउ इट इज़ ऑन योर पाम ऑल्सो, वो आपके हाथों में भी है. तो एंड दैट टाइम दिस कंप्यूटर वॉज वेरी बिग. इट वॉज एबल टू परफॉर्म only basic arithmetic operation. What is arithmetic operation? Arithmetic means calculation, like subtraction, like division, like multiplication. Got it? These are the arithmetic operation. That punch card, that machine can only perform the arithmetic operation, nothing else. And it was very slow because it was in a huge in size, and there are little bit applications and there are little bit function. So it was very slow. The first computer in 1937 to 44, evolution of computer. And the next one is Atoms of Berry computer, ABC. Now you can say the ABC 1939 to 42. This is basically after the evolution of first computer. This is the second computer designed by the John Atonsoff and his assistant Berry, designed to solve complex and mathematical equation. In a first computer we can perform only arithmetic operation. In this we can calculate the complex mathematical problem also. It used near 45,000 vacuum tubes, and if the system having a vacuum tube, and the charge will be definitely so long and large. So internal logic basically, the bug occur in this particular computer. तो person can go inside, मतलब पूरा का पूरा पर्सन एक मशीन में जा सकता था और उसको बग को हटा सकता था. सो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी मशीन बेसिकली ये होती हैं. वॉज वेरी स्लो एंड स्पीड इन फास्ट दिमाग. तो ये उससे थोड़ा सा स्लो इन स्पीड, बट वैसे तो स्लो है, लेकिन उस पहले वाली एवोल्यूशन कंप्यूटर से थोड़ा फास्ट है. उसके बाद हमारे में ये दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड कंप्यूटर. इनैक 1943 to 46, डिज़ाइन बाय प्रोफेसर प्रिस्पर जॉन. फुल नेम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेटर एंड कैलकुलेटर. गॉट इट? इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेटर एंड कैलकुलेटर was fully electronic computer. This is last basically mechanical also. This is a basically full electronic device, you can say that. And designed by the military needs, successful served the many year. बेसिकली हम ज़्यादातर जो रिसर्च हुई है वो मिलिट्री को लेके ही हुई है. और इट वो डिज़ाइन नियर अबाउट 18,000 वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स फॉर इंटरनल लॉजिक. अब देखो लास्ट वाले में जो 45,000, तो यानी कि उसका साइज़ और बड़ा हो गया, थोड़ा लेस हो गया यहाँ पे 18,000, यानी 50% से भी बहुत कम हो गया है. ठीक है, तो वैक्यूम ट्यूब से इंटरनल लॉजिक डिज़ाइन, तो यानी कि साइज़ छोटा हो गया. अब साइज़ छोटा हो गया तो कंज्यूम स्पेस भी कम लेगा वो. ठीक है, और किसी भी पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए 200 माइक्रोसेकंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन 2000 माइक्रोसेकंड, यानी कि 2000 माइक्रोसेकंड के अंदर मल्टीप्लिकेशन और काफ़ी सारे वर्क, यानी कि दैट मीन्स टू लास्ट 2 सिस्टम से काफ़ी फास्टर है. तो इनायक, यू कैन से द इनायक इज़ अ फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, फुली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंप्यूटर, यू कैन से दैट. एंड द नेक्स्ट वाज IDVAC, basically 1946 to 52, designed by Dr. John von Neumann. The full name is Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, and the new concept is storage program in a memory. In the last, it doesn't has any memory size. This computer having a memory size also, means you can store your data for future work. And concept is developed. It is also a totally electronic computer, full information automatically controlled by the computer. It works totally on the binary form, 0 and 1 concept, and the binary works in this IDVAC computer. It fully electronic. It works in a 0 and 1 form, means binary. Basic in binary is having a 2 base, 0 and 1, and we will discuss later. And the next one is evolution of a computer, IDSAC 1947 to 49, designed by the professor Wilkest, Cambridge University, England. Full name is Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. Was to solve much more complex equation of mathematics की more complex calculation basically कर सकता था the computer. So basically this is evolution of a computer. And the next is Univac 1951, designed by the IBM. The full form is Universal Automatically Computer. IBM introduced 700 series of a computer of this. This is also a digital and scientific research. It basically used for scientific research. So this is all about this video. Thank you so much.